In this video we are going to discuss about how a regular expression can be converted into automata. So automata in the sense we will be discussing about how the string will be converted to DFA and also NFA. So for the string that ends with BB, first we will write the regular expression for the string that ends with BB. So the regular expression could be quite simple, which is the string ends with BB. So before that BB we can have any number of A's or B's in many number of times. So here A or B closure BB is the regular expression. For this regular expression we will first write the regular language. So once we write the regular language, it could be quite easier when constructing the automata. So the regular language, the first possible regular language is BB. Next we can have ABB. First I will be writing the A combinations and then B combinations, and A and B mixed together. So first I have written ABB, next AABB, AAABB. You can have any number of times the A followed by BB at the end of the string. So this is followed. Next we can have B n number of times. So BB, triple B, 4 times B, 5 times B, and it just goes on. So before this BB string we can have AB combinations also, something like this. We can have A 2 times, B 2 times, ABB, something like this. ABB, ABB, something like this, and it just goes on. You can have any combinations of A and B before the end of the string BB. So with this possible strings, we will just try to construct the automata. So first we will try to construct the DFA, which is deterministic final state automata, and next we will try to construct the NFA, which is non-deterministic final state automata. So first we will see the DFA. So DFA is that for a single input we should not have multiple transitions from one state to another state. So first we will try to achieve the string BB. So first we will write to achieve B. For the input B, I am just moving from the state Q0 to Q1, and for the next input B, I am just having a transition from Q1 to Q2. So Q2 could be probably the final state, so I have encircled it with 2 circles. So this is BB. Next we have ABB. Next double ABB, triple ABB, 4 times ABB. So if it says 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So before the end of the string BB we can have n number of times A. So I am just giving a self loop which says we can have any number of times the A. So here with this string I will be able to, with this automata I will be able to achieve the strings which is till this. Next we want to achieve BB n number of times. So for this I can just write BB. So I want n number of times B. So at the end I can just attach over here B. So here with this I will be able to achieve n number of combinations of B. Next I have A first. So A, B, again I want to have A over here. So A, B, again for A I am just having a transition from Q1 to Q0 for the input A. So A, B, A I have come, B, again A, next 3 times B. So B, 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 with the self loop I will be able to achieve. So this string is achieved. Next I can have double A, double B. So A, double A can be achieved with the self loop, again B and B, again I want to have A. So here I will be making the transition from Q2 to Q0. I can even make the transition from Q2 to Q1, but when I make the transition from Q2 to Q1, the string should end with BB, so that could fail over here. So I am just making a transition from Q2 to Q0 which says A. So for the string A self loop 2 times, BB, again A and BB I have achieved. Next I am just taking this A, B, A, B, A, BB, A, BB I have achieved. So this is the DFA. For each and every state which we have depicted here, which is Q0, Q1 and Q2, and the inputs A and B, it has only one transition. So now we will see what is NFA. For NFA also, for the first string, it is the same as DFA. From Q0 to Q1, I will be having a transition for B input, and from Q1 to Q2, I will be having the transition for again the next B input. So I will be able to achieve BB. So so with the regular expression we will be able to draw the NFA. So which says with string end with BB, and before this we can have A or B n number of time combination. So I am just giving in start state A or B. So A or B can be either represented with the slash symbol or with the comma over here. So this is the NFA and DFA for the set of strings that ends with BB. Thank you.